flying furniture, convenient cops, dangerous debris, and more. Today's episode of Wham Bam Dashcam is packed with pavement pandemonium, so get ready to sign for another Dashcam delivery. Tiffany was making a protected left turn through a fresh green light when a Subaru went flying through a red light right in front of her. Check out what happened while she was still catching her breath. It seems like red light runners are a problem at this intersection. The driver of a car slammed into a turning pickup truck, sending them both rolling toward Tiffany's Honda CR-V and scattering debris everywhere. Thankfully, the driver of the car managed to stop just before hitting Tiffany's SUV head-on. Firefighters driving past the scene stopped to render aid, and Tiffany provided responding police with a copy of her dashcam footage. Incredibly, nobody involved was seriously injured, in spite of the pickup being occupied by a family of 5, including 3 young children. Jared was accelerating to pass a Kia in the empty lane on his right when a Jeep driver cut completely across the road to reach a driveway. Jared told us he hadn't noticed the Jeep's maneuver because he was checking his blind spot before his own lane change. And by the time he spotted it cutting in front of him, standing on the brake wasn't enough to prevent a collision. Both drivers stopped to exchange information before Jared's Hyundai Kona had to be towed away due to coolant pouring out of the front. The Jeep was also towed away, which Jared thinks was unnecessary. Jared sent his dashcam footage to his insurance provider, and they immediately determined the Jeep driver was fully responsible. His Hyundai is being repaired for the Canadian equivalent of about $9,500 US. Lloyd was driving down a California highway when a pickup driver's trailer load of furniture suddenly became a lot lighter. As the couches created chaos, Lloyd carefully cruised clear of the catastrophe. He honked repeatedly in an attempt to get the pickup driver's attention, but he told us it seemed like he didn't care. Well, that's one way to get rid of your old furniture. I always thought leaving it on the sidewalk with a cardboard sign that reads "free" was pretty trashy, but this method seems much worse. When highway traffic came to a sudden halt, Andrew was able to safely stop without hitting the Subaru in front of him. Until a driver behind him who wasn't paying attention slammed into his Honda Civic, that is. Andrew, the Subaru driver, and the driver who'd rear-ended his car all pulled over in the breakdown lane to exchange information while police responded to block traffic. All told, dealing with the aftermath of the collision ended up taking about an hour and a half. Thankfully, nobody involved was hurt. Kylie was taking her husband to get some coffee before dropping him off at work when the police officer ahead of her flipped on his party lights before making a U-turn to chase after an oncoming driver abusing the center turn lane. Kylie told us that the officer was likely doing the driver a favor as this is a high-traffic road, and the chances he would have eventually struck someone head-on were high. Max was on his way to get some fast food with a friend when a pickup driver started changing lanes without realizing Max's Subaru Forester was in her way. Swerving out of the way was all Max could do, as he explained that his Subaru's horn doesn't work. When the pickup driver realized her mistake, she made room for Max to get back on the road and continue on. Max told us the pickup driver looked dumbfounded as he drove past her, apparently oblivious about the close call she'd just caused. Thankfully, he and his friend safely made it to lunch without further incident. By the way, Max has been featured on Wham Bam Dashcam before after he spun off the road and hit a pole, destroying a different Subaru. We'll link to the episode containing that dashcam footage at the end of this one. Shannon was taking her cat to the vet when the driver ahead of her began signaling for a left turn before rear-ending not one, but 2 vehicles in the turn lane. For whatever reason, the driver ahead of Shannon never finished getting in the turn lane, nor did they finish slowing down before violently impacting the two vehicles already there. The collision ripped a rear wheel completely off the SUV before the car continued forward into a pickup truck. Shannon provided a copy of her dashcam footage to the investigating police officer, who was grateful. Actually, he told her the entire situation was a huge clusterfunk, so he must have really appreciated being able to see a video of exactly what had happened. This subscriber is a rideshare driver who had just picked up a passenger from the airport when they both spotted a very interesting guest within a fenced area that surrounds a bunch of private planes. Somebody was going hog wild in an area they probably weren't supposed to be. Our subscriber told us he was back an hour later and didn't see Miss Piggy or notice any damage she might have caused. Saeed witnessed a minivan driver hit an SUV after its driver started across the road, failing to yield the right-of-way. The driver of the Toyota Sienna must have thought the BMW driver was going to slow down or stop, because they only hit the brakes less than a second before the impact, and their attempt to swerve out of the way wasn't successful. The impact took the hood and front bumper cover off the BMW, but thankfully it didn't look like anyone had been hurt. Saeed told us that people need to pay better attention to their surroundings while driving. This subscriber encountered a bad driver while driving down a highway in Alabama. How do we know they were a bad driver? Because we all know that bad drivers never miss their exits. Our subscriber had to swerve hard into the neighboring lane to avoid being sideswiped when a Hyundai driver dove across a gore point at high speed. Thankfully, the Hyundai sped off without contacting our subscriber's Chevy Silverado. He told us he and his girlfriend Jules love watching Wham Bam Dashcam, and he thinks it's important to always be aware of other drivers. Lena was driving her Chevy Bolt when she watched a car start leaving the road before clipping the back of a Nissan Altima that was exiting a driveway. Okay, this one's a puzzler. It looks like the Nissan driver might have seen the other car drifting to the side of the road and assumed the driver was about to turn into the driveway. So maybe they thought it was safe to pull onto the road. In reality, the other driver was just distracted and wasn't watching the road at all, which is why they ran into the Nissan instead of slowing down. At least, that's our theory. What do you think happened, and whose fault is it? Lena told us this was the first collision she's witnessed in 6.5 years of driving, and she immediately called her grandma to tell her she'd captured a wham bam moment. Sean watched a Tesla behaving badly illegally pass an SUV on the shoulder before speeding off down the highway. That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive. After the deep blue metallic Tesla, easily the best paint color of any Tesla, sped around the Ford Bronco, Sean instantly thought, this is definitely going to Wham Bam Dashcam. He and his girlfriend Nikki watch every episode. In fact, watching the new Wham Bam Dashcam video each Friday has become their evening ritual. If you have Dashcam footage to share, use the link in the description to send it in, and Sean and Nikki might see it in a future episode. Mina was just pulling up to a red light in her Honda CR-V when an oncoming Cadillac driver ran the light before slamming into another SUV. It looks like the Cadillac driver did try to stop, as evidenced by their tires screeching and their SUV pitching forward. But they were going too fast and struck the other SUV anyway. Mina thinks they might have been blinded by the sun. Thankfully, she told us it looked like nobody was injured as she drove by. She also said our videos have taught her to be aware of her surroundings while driving and never assume what other drivers will do. Brian had just loaded up his Chevy C7500 with about 39,000 pounds of old farm equipment when the driver of a van full of passengers dove for an exit, cutting right in front of Brian's truck. Brian told us he called the phone number on the van to report the unsafe driver, but his call went straight to voicemail. Considering the existing damage to the van's rear doors, he suspects the driver has done this before. Thankfully, Brian's efforts to stop his heavy truck were just barely enough to prevent a rear-end collision. He had this advice for our viewers: if you miss your exit, just take the next one. This subscriber was driving home when a pickup driver turned to look at him instead of at the road ahead, just before rear-ending a car right in front of a traffic cop. Our subscriber told us that nobody was hurt in the collision, but the pickup driver definitely appeared embarrassed as he drove by. Since a traffic cop witnessed the collision himself, our subscriber's dashcam footage wasn't needed. Kate watched the driver of a car swerve hard to miss someone's rear bumper cover that had been left in the highway.
That's a wham bam. That's gonna cause an accident.
Incredibly, the other driver somehow managed to maintain control in spite of the surprise moose test. Kate said this is a great example of how things on the road can change in a split second. She also said she loves all the Wham Bam channels, so when this happened, she knew exactly where to send her dashcam footage.
That's a wham bam.
This subscriber was driving his Subaru Forester down a left turn lane when a Hyundai driver suddenly swerved in front of him without warning. Even though he immediately slammed on his brakes and swerved onto the traffic island, our subscriber wasn't able to avoid colliding with the Hyundai. Thankfully, none of the occupants of either vehicle were injured. Our subscriber followed the other driver into a parking lot where they exchanged information. He said the other driver summoned her mother to the scene, who proceeded to question him very closely. This subscriber sent us an example of what can happen when two opposing drivers both think they can make it through the same yellow light. While the minivan driver was already in the intersection before the light turned yellow, the driver of the car only entered the intersection after the light was already yellow. Both drivers assumed the other would yield, and both were wrong. Thankfully, in this case, the result was only a close call and not a head-on collision. Terry was heading home from a gas station in his Chevy Silverado EV when a passing SUV was suddenly clipped by a Honda driver who abruptly changed lanes without warning. After the collision, both drivers pulled over into a parking lot where they began to argue about who was responsible. Terry stopped and did his best to calm them both down, then showed them his dashcam footage. Police arrived shortly after, and he provided them with a copy of his footage as well. He then continued on his way home and let the cops figure everything out. Ken was riding his Honda Goldwing motorcycle through the back roads of Vermont when he encountered an utterly unusual obstruction in the road. Holy cow, that's something you don't see every day. Ken told us he wanted the cow and her calf to move out of the road. I know, we're really milking this one. Thankfully, Ken didn't take a spill as he made his way around them. Don't forget to watch the time Max wrecked his Subaru by spinning off the road and into a power pole in this episode. Or if you already saw that one, YouTube thinks this one is exactly what you're looking for. We'll be back with more crazy crashes and dangerous drivers next week. See you then.
Wham, bam, we got a Patreon man. Please support the show.